right, give that a chance to dry. It's looking good. I think I'm going to clean up the edges a little bit by painting the background to carve out the silhouette just with white paint. Alright guys, so this is the finished painting. Quick study of the Asaro head statue. Just a close up. So this is just a nice exercise that simplifies the planes of the face, makes it clearer to see, and makes it easier. It's a nice way to do different value studies and set up different lighting scenarios. And of course, if you have the actual statue, on one side of the statue, it's the more simple side, and then it's a bit more complex on the opposite side of the statue if you want to practice even more detail. And once again, you can find, if you don't want to buy the actual statue, which can be a bit on the expensive side, there's always, you can find 3D models of it online. I'll try to include a link to one in the accompanying document for this lesson. And with that, we can move on to the next lesson. So thank you.